carpets, and more, keeping you at the forefront of home design.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Wynn, and I'm here today to show you a couple of cute ways to spice up your dining room table. Used to be that we only brought our good stuff out for like Sunday dinner or special occasions, a holiday, and then you'd lug the china and the crystal. You'd have to hand wash each plate and towel dry it. Those days are so gone. That is so yesteryear. I'm here to tell you that dining got simpler and way more fun and easy. I work super hard. When I come home, I want to dine in a beautiful setting. So I'm going to break it down for you in a super easy 101 type of situation. The first thing you need when you're dining is a plate. Okay? The plate needs to be relatively neutral, but let it be a little bit more fun, a little bit more whimsical. I didn't say expensive, but the most important thing is let it be dishwasher safe. Yes, dishwasher safe. After that, you want to get a napkin and a placemat, and I like to go with a really neutral palette, like very casual. You can dress it up or you can take it down. Now, a fun thing that's in the forecast are napkin rings are coming back. I know, right? We haven't seen those for like ever. But the cool thing about it is they're putting neat things on them. So this one says gather, which is just a really cozy, warm kind of thing to put out there. It doesn't have to say anything. You can turn it around and have it be blank, right? I could care less. After that, you want your silverware. I like more silverware than you absolutely need. Always do silverware in descending order. Same with the forks. Big fork, then small fork, okay? After that, you want to concentrate on the center of your table. Center of your table, it's always fun to mix some candle holders in with some fun candles. Nothing needs to match anymore. It can all be whimsical and free. You want different heights. You can have different colors. And I can't believe I'm saying this. You can even have electronic candles as long as you purchase good ones, okay, please? And don't be afraid to use unconventional items. This is a water glass, a drinking glass. These were $1.99 because they're in season right now. You can go out to your yard, you can cut some palm fronds and put them in a big vase. It's just that simple. Dining can be fun, it can be stylish, it can be easy, and you can do it every night. Knock yourself out, be fun and be creative. I'm Suzanne Wynn, and this is The Dish on Dining with Style.